With interaction summaries, you can easily capture meeting notes and attendees all in one place. This new feature enables you to share notes containing confidential information with only relevant stakeholders to maintain compliance and associate notes with accounts and opportunities to surface customer insights. Interaction summaries can be used across financial services and insurance. In investment banking, bankers can use interaction summaries as call reports to capture notes about client deals like upcoming acquisitions. In wealth management, financial advisors can track new investment opportunities. And in insurance, territory sales managers can collaborate with agencies on recent policy metrics and performance. Now let's see interaction summaries in action. Let's say I'm an investment banker logging into Financial Services Cloud. On my homepage, I can see all my recent interaction summaries across my accounts. As I plan for my day ahead, I can easily review the summaries that have open activities and also get a quick reminder of the meeting notes. To prepare for an upcoming meeting with my client Tech Labs, I go to their account page. Here I see the most recent interaction summaries. We are working on an M&A deal titled Project Falcon. Within this component, I can search so only those summaries and notes appear, and I can also filter for any meetings with a specific purpose, like deal execution. I review the notes and action items from these recent meetings to ensure I've addressed everything before my next meeting with the Tech Labs executive team. After my meeting with Tech Labs, I'm ready to capture the key takeaways and action items from the meeting. Interaction summaries allows me to capture notes in a structured way. I add the meeting title and create an interaction for this meeting. When I create an interaction, I have the option to select an interaction type, such as an email, phone call, in-person meeting, or conference. These different types allow me to categorize and easily search through interactions. Each interaction summary can also have a specific interaction purpose. In this case, it's deal execution and offering type. There are also fields to capture meeting notes and next steps. To ensure compliance, each interaction summary can also be marked as either confidential or public. Because this is related to pricing for an M&A deal and contains material non-public information, I mark the summary as confidential. Once an interaction summary is created, I can also capture attendees, both internal to my bank or external like the client and any other external partners. Interaction summaries are supported by compliant data sharing, which allows me to stay compliant while sharing notes with relevant stakeholders. I want to share this with Peter William, the analyst on this deal. I add him as a participant and assign him to the analyst role, which has been enabled with read-write access. Peter will automatically get access to this interaction summary and can add any notes and follow-up items from the meeting. Compliant data sharing is now enabled for groups, so I can also share this interaction summary with entire groups who would find these notes and action items relevant. After the deal is closed, I share the summary with a tech coverage group so they can learn about the final pricing details for this deal. When I select Tech Group as a participant, I can add at once the entire group of bankers my compliance officer has already assigned to this sharing group. When I assign them the role of industry coverage, they automatically get read-only access to this interaction summary. Because it's built in Financial Services Cloud, Interaction Summaries provides a more flexible, independent sharing model that can look up to multiple objects such as accounts and opportunities, and also allows you to add multiple internal and external attendees. Interaction Summaries enables you to stay compliant while efficiently capturing and sharing meeting notes.